we are in the presence of
Yes.
showbiz royalty. Okay, we have the Legaspi family.
What's up?
Okay.
Kamusta naman po? How are you? Pasabog, oh my God.
Yung energy kailangan mataas.
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Ano na nga ba yung tanong?
Hello, kamusta naman po kayo?
Ayan, kamusta,
naman
kamusta?
As a family kayo dumalo dito sa ating anniversary.
We're vibing.
Wow.
We're vibing. We're very excited and we're very happy to be here.
Oh, yes. Same answer as Cassie. Oh.
Copy paste.
Sa inyong career, at sa showbiz career ninyo, ano ang pinaka-paborito nyong role na pinurtray?
Ayan, tatay, go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, parang siya yung may royal blood. I mean, in person,
Klara ko to.
in person, talagang, yeah.
Wala, hindi na naman sa akin. Ano ba yun?
Teka, kanina pa kasi mga guests
Nakakaloka.
natin, sinasabi, si Sasa, Sasa iba ka talaga, iba ka pala in person. Sir Zoren, anong masasabi mo kay Sasa in person nung nakita?
Wala, parang paano ba naman?
Maliwanag.
Maliwanag.
Maliwanag ang kanyang kagandahan.
Uy!
Wow! Grabe lang po kayo, nandito na yung asawa niyo. Tapos ano, charot.
Well, anyway, ako very thankful ako. Hindi yung role, kumbaga, yung GMA nagbigay sa akin ng first directorial project.
Wow!
Ang GMA talaga. And it wasn't just a project, it was a big project. Pinagkatiwalaan kagad nila ako sa malalaking proyekto.
Ikaw, mami.
Miss Mina.
Madam.
Favorite role that you portrayed?
Favorite role? Actually, madami eh. Madami akong favorite. Siguro yung, yung sa Darna. Kasi nag-portray ako ng Sulfura.
Ay, excited,
Oo,
sorry.
Kasi sa kontrabida ni Angel
Angel
Oxin.
Oxin,
Oo,
yeah.
si Sulfura na. Hindi ko siya makakalimutan kasi kulay orange ako, para akong lava. So naka-contacts ako na red doon na pagkasakit-sakit sa mata. Tapos yung outfit ko, yung parang naka-wetsuit ako, yung scuba,
Yes.
pero wala lang ako sa tubig. So ang init, I mean talagang parusa, pero very memorable sa akin. yun.
Yes, at
Yun.
slay talaga si Madam gumanap ng mga kontrabida.
That's true. Very memorable din sa amin yun ni Cassie. Yung role na yan ni Mama kasi nung bata kami, nung habang sinusuot niya yung costume na yan, natatakot kami ni Cassie. So very memorable.
Kasi
Yun.
kulay orange ako.
Tsaka lagi kami bumibisita sa sa set. Yeah.
Okay. So natatakot kayo pag suot
Oh,
niya?
yes.
Sabi ko lang, it's okay, it's my costume, it's mommy.
We were like 5 years old that time, no?
5 years old. Si Mavi tsaka si Cassie nag-start na rin. Para sa inyo, ano yung most memorable na role, experience nyo here in GMA so far?
Ako,
Every day?
PBB na siya.
Pwede.
as a PBB host, syempre, that's truly an honor. Pero siguro yung role na ginagawa ko ngayon, kaya abangan mga kapuso. That is the
Ano ba yan?
favorite.
Ano ba yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Yes.
Bongga.
Abangan niyo yan mga kapuso. Yes.
Bukan
Yes.
Pasabog.
Wow.
Perfect answer.
For my role, siguro, ayun din yung sagot ko eh, yung role ko ngayon eh. Kasi,
Sushi roll?
ano ba yan? Kasi yung role ko ngayon is challenging but not in a way you would expect it to be. So, very interesting in a way.
Ano kaya yun?
Sobrang versatile.
Yeah.
Okay. Before we go to the wrap-up question, gusto ko lang tanongin, kasi you've had a chance to work with each other. Okay. How would you describe, of course, getting opportunities to work with each other in one show? What's that experience like?
Tatay.
Well, magkaiba. Okay, unang-una, magkakaiba tayo ng working habits, I guess. Kami talaga magkaiba. Parang Michael Jackson. Kumanta ka, kagigising, bago matulog.
Wow.
Talagang magaling kumanta. So pag siya, ako,
Oh my gosh!
Mataas lang pala yung boses.
Umaga hanggang
Yun lang yung
gabi.
contribution ko.
Wow.
So, pagdating sa acting, ganun siya. So, talented. So, kahit iyak. Iyak agad. Ako technical kasi.
Okay.
I need time, bro. Wow. I need time to prepare. You know, I want quiet. So, siya maingay. Oh my
gosh!
Sabi, hihi. Ha? Pa-talented nga.
Miss Mina, ano masasabi mo dito?
Okay lang ba?
Ganito pala silang magkakapamilya, nakakaloka. Ang hirap maging katulong sa bahay nyo, nakakaloka.
Okay.
So, yun ako.
Yun.
Ako kasi ito kasi yung first na talaga nagagawa kami ng teleserye. So, nagkaroon kami ng usapan. Ang importante naman, we respect each other. So far, so good.
So good. Enjoying.
Pero I just want to say to everyone na pagdating sa set, kami, we treat each other as professionals and not as a family.
Co-actors.
So as co-actors talaga.
We're so professional.
Wow, ang galing. In fairness,
And I thank you.
Ang dami namin natututunan, especially kasi syempre mapasilip ito sa buhay and family ng isang celebrity family. So pasabog talaga. I love it yung naging takbo ng career ninyo. So may last question na lang ay what is the meaning for you as a family ng pag-celebrate natin ng 75th anniversary ng GMA?
Meaning,
Ako, I guess I'm very happy we get to do this in one network, in one home. Kasi sila ang home ko, and then dito pa sa GMA, isa pang tahanan ko. Nagsama-sama ang dalawang tahanan ko. So that's one beautiful thing about this. And I thank you.
Ganda, in fairness.
Hindi po ng kapuso tissue box. Iyak na ako. Grabe. Yeah, I think I would say the same thing na
Ulitin mo.
hindi,
thing, sabi mo.
yung siguro grateful. I think grateful because yun nga, since Mavi and I were kids, we were already here in GMA. So parang childhood na namin dito. We were very comfortable here. So celebrating the 75th anniversary, parang, I don't know, it takes me back. Well, it takes me back. I love it. Yeah,
Takes you back 75
takes me
years
back
ago.
75 years ago. Wala lang, parang it's good to be a part of it siguro. Iyon.
and I thank you.
And I thank you.
Thank you.
But I just wanted to say that na I'm just very privileged and blessed kasi nga nabigyan ako ng ganong opportunity. And kahit sa ngayon, nabibigyan para kami ng opportunity to work together as a family. So ito, parang very thankful kami, nabigyan kami ng ganitong break. So we're very excited, we're very happy. And ang sarap lang ng feeling na dun sa 75 years ng GMA, kasama kami doon. So yun.
Bongga. You mother.
Mahirap yung sundan yun, Sir Zoren.
Oo,
You can do it, sir.
And I thank
Una, gusto kong batiin ng happy 76th anniversary. Oh, kasi sa sobrang tagal ng interview na to, 76 na.
Grabe!
Ang tagal eh.
I-advance na namin.
Okay.
Alam kay Alden ha.
Ang tagal ko si Alden.
Gusto ko nakapag-chikahan ng
77 na pala ngayon. Si Alden, 7, oo.
2 years na.
1 year kay Alden, 1 year sa atin. Sabi ko nga, very thankful kami sa GMA kasi yung ratio, binibigyan naman kami ng trabaho sa kabilang network, dito sa network. Pero yung ratio, mas marami dito. And very thankful kami doon. And at the same time, yung binibigay sa aming mga opportunities, parang kakaiba. Kagaya nitong upcoming shows namin, itong show na So Afternoon, it's really, really different yung kanyang istorya. Naku, bro, may iyak kami.
May iyak kami.
Alam mo, yun na isa pag nagmamarathon ka. Ay, naku, sabi ko sa'yo, may iyak ka,
Maalala
bro.
ko.
Maalala mo, gaganon ka.
Ginawa yun.
Ayun, so thank you very much, GMA, man. Thank you.
Thank you, GMA, man. Okay.
Yes, of course. Yes, promote any upcoming shows or ganap.
Yeah, come over the house anytime.
Kayo, are you guys twins also?
Hold on.
I'm so sorry.
Happy 78 na tayo.
I'm so sorry, I got carried away.
Okay, mga kapuso, abangan niyo po ang Hating Kapatid po. Syempre, kasama ko po doon si Miss Cassie Legaspi, Mr. Zoren Legaspi, and of course, Miss Carmina Villaruel. And of course, yours truly, Mavi Legaspi.
Wow.
Yes, abangan niyo po yun. It's gonna be the best family drama you'll ever see.
Naka-fresh mo naman nun.
And I thank you.
And I thank you. Yun. Yeah.
Yan, abangan niyo po yan. Thank you so much, Legaspi family.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
so much.